all my fellow Filipinos who are hoping to work and build a better future abroad, I encourage you to take this opportunity. Adecco is open to helping hardworking people who are ready for a new beginning. Hello everyone, especially to my fellow Filipinos. If you ever dream of giving your family a better future, I hope my story inspire you to believe that it is possible. My name is Manny Anastasio and I have been working with Adecco in New Zealand for the past 11 years. Looking back, deciding to come here was one of the best decisions I have ever made. Not only for myself, but for my entire family. Working as a regular employee through Adecco has given me a stable job and better quality of life. From the very beginning, they guided me through every step of the process and helped me build a secure future here in New Zealand. One of the greatest blessings is that I was able to bring my family with me. My wife now is working as well, and together we have been able to support each other and provide a better life for our children. For many years, our dream was to become a resident of New Zealand. Today, that dream has become a reality. We are now in the process of applying for our permanent resident. And soon enough, we will be eligible to apply for New Zealand citizenship. It is an incredible feeling to know that our family can now build a secure future together in this beautiful country. Living together in New Zealand has brought so many positive changes to our lives. We have grown stronger as a family and we have been given opportunities that once seems impossible. Above all, I thank God for His guidance and for making all these blessings possible. He has truly answered our prayers and fulfilled the dream we once only imagined. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Adecco. They provided everything I needed to come to New Zealand. From my visa, medical examination, placement process, and airfare. I did not have to pay for any of these expenses. I am also very thankful to the Staff House Agency in the Philippines for their support, assistance throughout the entire journey. To all my fellow Filipinos who are hoping to work and build a better future abroad, I encourage you to take this opportunity. Adecco is open to helping hardworking people who are ready for a new beginning. It could be the first step towards a better career, a brighter future, your family, and life-changing opportunity in New Zealand.